when we have our references together, how we can create a better composition. I want to show you using tracing paper. Tracing paper is a very old tradition for artists and designer, and it's very easy and very effective. I would like to draw each objects to see how they're going to relate together. I'm going to draw the one that actually at the front on this image, on this first photo, like this, right here. That's one. And I'm going to draw the second one. I'm going to draw the one and walking away. The water reflected right here. Okay, now I'm going to do the other one and like turning around. We don't have to do a very detailed drawing, it's just enough to convince you that it's the objects. Okay, now I also want to draw the little bird, and this one is swimming away like this. We can put them anywhere we want. That and a little, let's make up a little reflected shape. That, and then we're gonna also draw the one as on the rock. Maybe also include the rock. Okay. As the one next to it, we also want to include that as a one group. This. So we're gonna make the rock. Make this stone right here. Like that. Okay, what are we gonna do next? I'm gonna cut them off. I'm gonna play with them. That's one piece. Another piece. This big bird. Okay, so we're gonna take this away. Whenever you are not sure about the composition, and you can do this practice and to figure it out how you are going to complete them, how to put them together as a cohesive composition. So let's see. First, I'm going to place the things. There's three little things over here. It was on this side, so I'm probably going to move it to this side. And it maybe work better than actually coming over here. I'm not sure about this one, but interesting. Because this bird is turning around. It's kind of interesting. Have this and probably place it right here. So this bird is talking to, like the mother talking to the children. Maybe over here. This one is not working with either. So I'm gonna move this probably over here. And maybe a little bit away. It's coming over here. So this bird is talking to them. Hey guys, you want to come? And move this a little bit higher right here. Maybe, yeah. This is another one, maybe coming over here. Keep a little distance. So very much I want it to be like, say, this is one group. There's another group. And there's a little thing over here. And let's see. I'm pretty sure we don't want this one. So we're gonna put this on the side. So what are we gonna do? Let's see. We're gonna move a little bit more to the left over here. I think that's good. And like this. And if going to be like this, we're gonna do a little cropping. And let's see how it looked like. It looked like could be vertical. Like this, probably. And maybe like this, maybe close up a little bit. So this probably come down a little bit too high. Like that. Give a little space. And focus on how you feel. It's very important. And this probably come in a little bit. This. I don't want it to too close to the edge, but I don't want to have too much space that is not necessary. Okay. Okay, let's see. And then I'm going to add those reflection shape. And up a little bit, like that. Some shape going on. It's nice reflected shape. Okay, I think I got the composition. Maybe a little bit lower over here. So make the painting a little bit more like a square shape. Maybe move this a little bit higher, like this. I can see there's some nice story in here. Very nice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw this. Okay, so I can move this out. So we got the composition. So what I would want to do, I'm going to put a little glue underneath So I'm going to glue this together. They will become the composition that I'm going to do the watercolor painting. Let's do one more thing. I think maybe this space a little bit too much. Maybe come back a little bit. Come back a little bit. And this one, maybe come down a little bit like this. Like make the head coming down a little bit, like that. For whatever project you're gonna do, it's very important that you're gonna focus how those shapes is gonna work together. Whether or not the shape work together can create a cohesive composition and deliver a consistent message. Use whatever tool is easy for you, but never forget composition is always the key for a great painting. Have fun. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If this is your first time here, please subscribe and turn on notification. I will see you in my next lesson.